Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna finish doing the valve covers on the M3. It's about time to get this beast out of my garage. You know what, it's not a very difficult project. The hardest part to me was, and it's not hard, it's just very tricky, was tightening those valve cover bolts to the 10 Newton meters. You're not careful, you'll miss it and keep tightening it and break one or two of those bolts and you'll break them. So like I said, it's not very hard. To me, it actually was very easy, but you know what, let's finish it off. Let's get this car out of here so we can get it back and you go terrorize some streets or some back roads or something, because that's where that car belongs. Let's get this finished up. So now we just have to go ahead and put a little bit of kind of a gasket maker right on the seal here, the joint here. And this one is called the Right Stuff. And this is pretty good gasket maker. So this will seal up the little joint here. This way you won't have any leakage. And now that we've done that, we're gonna go ahead and put the valve cover on. I'm just gonna go ahead and just hand snug these. This comes in quite handy, but it only works in certain spots, because you won't be able to turn it, but this is so much faster. And you don't really want to use an ear tool on here. Like I said, it's 10 Newton meters and you don't want to start getting too tight. But I'm just gonna hand do these for now, and don't put a lot of pressure on it, just snug enough. See, it won't fit over there, so this is when you have to go to hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and just hand snug these and then come back with the torque wrench and torque everything up. You know what guys, just look at how easily you can miss it. So put it on and look, that's it. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I'm barely moving my hand. Okay, now both sides are back together, finally, and thank God. But before you put the plenum on, make sure that these clamps are lined up with this groove here. This way you'll be able to get your tool in there to tighten them. That's why each of these have these grooves there. So there's 8 of them. So make sure that they're lined up, because if they don't, you're gonna have to take it back off to line them up so you can tighten down the plenum. So I'm gonna go ahead, put everything back together, and then we're gonna start it up and see how this baby sounds. Alrighty, so now everything is back together. So we're gonna start it up and see how it sounds. Well, it is finally done. So this car, it's practically brand new again, man, because we've done so much stuff to it. But now with the valve cover is done, it has a tune-up, brakes are done, powder coated, and there's a few other things we have to do, but for now the major things are done. So now he can go beat on his car and terrorize the street like he loves to do. Hey, that's why you buy an M3, you don't buy it to pet it. But that's it for that one. So remember guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, if you got any questions, any comments or anything, go ahead and throw them down in the comment section, and I'll go ahead and answer them as best as I can for you. If you have any suggestions for any other videos or anything, let me know and I'll see what I can do. But thank God this thing is done. I know I'll be seeing it again, because it seems to be that I'm the one going to be maintaining this car. And I think that's gonna push me to get my own M car. Oh boy. Well, that's not something I'll regret, but that's it for now. So, oh wait, there's more. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like all these videos so I can keep content coming to you. And okay, that's it for now. Laters.